Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, March 22nd. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So natural gas weekly is still in this pattern where we have a low and a high. We have a higher low and a lower high. And so a must hold for nat gas in the coming support is going to be at 2.565 on the weekly. Bulls do not want to lose that level. Bears absolutely want to crush that level. And then what we'll look for on that break of the support is potentially a test of this recent low, the 52-week low of 2.487. And then if, depending on how the daily is oversold, if the daily is oversold, we'll get a bounce play and then going to look for another lower high on the weekly charts. But that's yet to play out. And looking at the daily here, let's look at the daily, remove this trend line. Looking at the daily, RSI has a little bit of, still has some room to the downside, and we will see what happens when it hits that 30 area. I will likely again start scouting for a swing position on this oversold 30 RSI level on the daily. As you can see, it's been a nice indicator in the past in that area for a nice bounce, and so we'll start scouting soon for a nat gas bounce play. The 4 hour is already pretty getting to that level as well, so watch the 4 hour for that 30 RSI. At least for an oversold bounce, you can clearly see the pattern on this 4 hour chart. High, little bounce, pull back, new low, bounce attempt, lower high, new low, bounce attempt, lower high, new low, bounce attempt, lower high, new low, so on and so on. And so this trend needs to change. So we're going to look at the resistance on any bounce here at 2.667 based on the 4 hour chart. And of course, the low of today is really the only support to look at 2.611. Looking at the hourly is definitely oversold. So we could see a little bit of bounce play out. But again, the way it's been trending, it needs to really break this 2.667 area for it to be anything more than an oversold bounce at this point. So if you are playing against this trend and looking for an oversold RSI bounce play, you need to be quick and not hold it too long because it is going against the overall trend at this point. So on bounces, it's been better to scout for a bear entry, and so we will continue to do that until the charts longer term on the daily show me elsewise, or at least on the 4 hour needs to change to show me elsewise that it's going to be more than just an oversold quick trade. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.